everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivy Garnica, your IT student. If you are a college student and you're finding some tips and how to save money, then this video is for you. For today's video ay bibigyan ko kayo ng mga tips kung paano makatipid at makasave ng money kahit na estudyante pa lang kayo. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. So here are some tips, and this is actually applicable to all student that has a part-time or student na nagdedepende sa allowance na binibigay ng mga parents or relatives nila.
Tip number 1, have your monthly budget plan. So, if you're a student na nagbo-boarding house because your hometown is far from your chosen university, dapat kang maglaan ng monthly rent para sa boarding house and for monthly expenses and groceries. But then, if you're a student na medyo malapit lang ang bahay or inuuwian sa iyong university or mas prefer mo lang talagang umuwi, then you should calculate or compute your monthly transportation fee and ilaan ito para maiwasang ma-short or magastos ang pera so that secured na ang pamasahe mo and hindi ka makaka-absent for the whole month. Second tip is always bring your lunch. One of the temptations in spending your money is food. As we all know, college is tiring and college is draining. This can result to hunger. It is very important to bring your lunch if you want to spend less. But if you can't bring your lunch, then eat in places kung saan affordable ang foods. Like for example, in NWSSU, one of the most known place for lunch is the Cinco Diez and the Pateran, wherein you can eat lunch for as low as 15 pesos in Cinco Diez and 25 pesos in Pater. If you're trying to save money and trying to spend less, it is not really advisable na kumain palagi sa mga fast food chains like Jollibee, McDonald's, Mang Inasal, or even in some fancy restaurants in your city. Tip number 3. Be true to yourself and choose the right circle of friends. If you involve yourself with people who love to study in coffee shops, then the chance of spending less and saving money is a little too low. If you cannot afford going somewhere like eating in coffee shops, going to fast food chains, then don't. Just be true to yourself. And last but not the least tip, always be resourceful. Knowing activities in college, they are more likely into printed schoolworks like assignments or the major course outputs. Sometimes, maraming pinapaprint si instructor natin and it can really cost a lot. It is very important that you be resourceful. Maghanap ng kung saan makakatipid o makakalibre. Like for example, in your barangay, some of the Sangguniang Kabataan projects implement free printing programs for students. And not just in your barangay, but we also have that in our university, in the Institutional Supreme Student Council, where you can just send your documents or files through email and bring your own bond paper. In that way, makakalibre ka ng pagpaprint. You always have to be resourceful. And that's it. That ends our tips on how to save and spend less money during your college. This video ends here. I hope I've lent you some help. Bye-bye!